Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and you know the device passcode. This matters because removing a lock needs authentication. Open the Shortcuts app and find the specific shortcut that shows as locked or requires confirmation. Once located, tap the three dots to enter edit mode and then tap the settings icon. Make sure to check whether the shortcut is part of an automation or uses a predicate like ask when run, since those settings affect how you remove the lock. Now that you're inside the shortcut editor, focus on the actions and the run settings. You need to disable ask when run or switch off show when run for actions that prompt confirmation. This removes the modal lock step. Inspect each action for explicit authentication calls, delete or replace Face ID, passcode, or secure input steps. Once changed, test by tapping Done and running the shortcut. If it still asks, reopen settings and verify none of the linked apps or web APIs. Finish by saving the shortcut and running it to confirm the lock is gone. You should no longer see an authentication prompt. If the lock persists, inspect any automations that trigger this shortcut and revoke, ask before running, or adjust permissions in Settings shortcuts. Make sure the app permissions for services used inside the shortcut aren't reapplying a lock. If problems continue, restart shortcuts or reboot the iPhone. That often clears cached permission states and completes the removal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.